Let's unbox this stunning masterpiece,
Nirvana.
The embroidered poly net front panel, hand embellished with delicate work of pearls and sequins. इसकी front, yoke और side panels पे सामने details हैं, creating a cohesive design that flows seamlessly across the ensemble. The embroidered back and yoke complement the front and ensures एक प्यारी सी look from every angle. Neckline पट्टी और shirt पट्टी पे भी बहुत बारीकी से काम हुआ है with equal attention to detail. What truly completes Nirvana is the ethereal poly net dupatta, जिसके पल्लू पर बहुत खूबसूरत सी embroidery है, makes the entire look of the dress. Paired with a solid dyed raw silk inner and trousers, the ensemble is as comfortable as it is beautiful.